Spoon.
Spoon?
Yeah, spoon.
So if Appa will eat, he will use spoon.
Yeah.
Now how about if hands lang?
No, it's not. It's not. Not again.
It's not good
It's not advisable. Eat with
to
hand.
eat with bare hands.
Bare hand.
It's not advisable to eat with bare hands.
Why?
Because your tummy will get big.
Yeah. Is Appa's tummy big?
Not today.
Not today.
Not today. Mag-eat.
So what is the size of his tummy? Small, big, or very big?
And to play na.
No, you just said do not eat with bare hands, and then I just asked you.
I want to play na.
Appa is always eating with his bare hands. Is that good?
And to play na.
What will you play?
Ice cream shop.
Can you close your shop today because it's holiday? If holiday, no class and then no shop. How about like that? Can you close your shop early? What time will you close your shop?
At night time.
Night time. So this is your shop or that one? What do you have? What do you sell?
I sell fruits and ice cream.
What is the flavor of your ice cream? What flavor do you have?
I have mango, blueberry, and strawberry.
Wow, how much is that? How much is that? How much is your ice cream? 1 peso?
Yeah.
Wow, very cheap. How about other food do you have? Like for example, what do you have?
Dunkin' Donut.
I have colorful donuts.
How much is the colorful donuts?
$1.
$2.
$2, naku.
One for Oma, one for Appa.
Oh,
Can you just give us for free? We don't have money kasi.
I got idea.
So what's your idea?
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
And then, after sprinkle,
Get na.
wow, 1 for Oma and 1 for Appa. Is this for free or we will have to pay for this?
I got idea. They don't pay na lang.
Wow.
Because that donut is expensive.
Oh no, and then we will not pay.
Yeah, because it's okay lang. Because the idea is good.
You have a good
Thank
idea.
you so much,
We will not pay. So you're a good granddaughter, gali. What's your name ba? What's your name?
After I finish,
Opo.
Okay.
Yum, yum.
So what's the name of your shop?
ice cream shop and donut, Dunkin' Donut. That's the name of Hannah's shop.
Wow. Ice cream shop and Dunkin' Donut shop.
Yeah. That's the name of my shop.
Yes. So you do have plenty. Are you rich or poor?
Rich.
Rich?
Because I have yellow toys and they look like gold.
Wow.
That's why I am rich.
Oh, you are rich. You have plenty of money?
Yeah. You see? You see my gold toy. You see my gold toy. 1 gold toy. 3 gold toy. And this gold toy.
So it means you are rich.
Yes. That's why I am rich.
I think you are poor. Poor lang ikaw, no? Think you are poor.
No, I am rich because I have a yellow toy, And it look like gold. You see? Oh, you see it.
Yes, that's yellow. So yellow color means gold, like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why Hannah is rich.
Oma,
I know, but you don't have gold, Ganet. But Hannah will buy you gold. That's why you are rich also.
okay. How about Apa?
I will buy gold also for Appa. So that Appa will have many gold.
Thank you.
Wow, because you love us?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dorami pasola dito. Dorami pasola dito.
Can you count?
Pato.
Chabacano, 1, 2, like that? You don't know?
No.
How about, do you know what is ice in Chabacano?